Does grapefruit juice burn fat? No doubt, exercise is important when it comes time to shed a few pounds. But if you look at the percentages, the correct diet has much more of an impact on whether you'll lose the weight and burn a little excess fat. Your diet accounts for 80% of your success. With those kind of numbers being floated around, a diet for burning fat suddenly becomes of critical importance. When designing your personal diet for burning fat, you might want to take a closer look at grapefruit. For years it was lumped into the category of fad diet, along with the cabbage and salad diets. With that kind of company, the grapefruit has been lost in the shuffle. But recent studies conducted at the Nutrition and Metabolic Research Center have revealed that the grapefruit diet actually does work. Grapefruit will assist in weight loss and fat reduction for several different reasons. For one, it has a positive effect on the blood sugar level. The lower the blood sugar level, the better your chances of losing weight. When choosing from a variety of healthy foods to include into your diet for burning fat, you should look at including carbohydrates that have a low impact on blood sugar. Glycemic load is a method of rating foods on the carbs count and how it impacts your blood sugar level. A glycemic load of below 10 is very beneficial in fat reduction and weight control. The grapefruit fits in so well because a half of a grapefruit has a glycemic load value of 6. This tart but refreshing fruit also helps in weight reduction due to the fact that it helps fight cravings. Grapefruits are very filling. Also, you'll see a spike in your energy level that will stay with you much longer than the rapid rise but also rapid fall of the burst of energy you get from a cookie or candy bar. This fruit is also very low calorie. You can eat several at a time, if you have the appetite, without worrying about taking in too many calories. They are also very high in fiber and water, another tool to use when trying to drop a few pounds. Grapefruits also assist in controlling your insulin level, which play a large role in weight reduction, another reason to include this into your personal diet for burning fat. Insulin assists in the metabolism of the fat in your body. As your body breaks down your food and uses it for the different functions of your body, your insulin level plays a major role in that it helps determine whether your body burns up the fat as energy or stores it somewhere on your body, hoping to use it later. But later sometimes never happens, and the fat remains stored on your hips or thighs or midsection. If you can prevent your insulin levels from spiking after your latest meal, your body will have a better opportunity to burn the food as energy rather than storing it. So when you are putting together your plan for a diet for burning fat and weight reduction, include a grapefruit a day. Eat a half in the morning with your breakfast and then the other half midway through the afternoon. Eating that in the afternoon will accomplish two things. It will stop the craving for something you shouldn't eat and will assist in the controlling the insulin level, once again, preventing your body from storing fat. And if you just can't stand the taste of grapefruits, just substitute oranges. Although not quite as effective as grapefruits, you will still enjoy many of the same healthy benefits. There's another option you should consider when wanting to lose weight and burn fat. Click the link in the description for detail. Please subscribe, like and share to this YouTube channel.